usually you have a foot rest in the boat. The first leg is going about this way. So that's first what I'm talking about, the basic position in the canoe. About this. This leg is crossed, this feet is bended, and then you are here, this is the position. And then from this one, you go going down, this is like water catch entry. And again, I just standing up, I keep my pedal quite vertical, all the way I put it here, and then I do this kind of J-stroke. So here, J-stroke. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's the basic what I demonstrate. Now I want to see, you can come first. And now the lefties as well? Right. So the first thing, if you are right, then you have to twist that this way. Yeah. Yes. So that's, let's say, this is the center of the canoe that you can take it here. Don't listen to them. Okay? No, because I think you already feel this is give you the more comfortable balance.
Yes, sir, balance.
The balance. If you put everything like put it like this way, this and straight, then it's no balance. I have this, then I have more balance. I can work for this. Okay?
Yes, yes.
I hope you agree with that. So do that. And three water catch position. Let's put it like straight. Go down. Okay, put it down and all the way pull it on the ground.
Sir, one question. Sir, when we finish like J-stroke, then sir turn T and
yes, the two hands, the T bar here and these two hands work together.
And sir, when we exit, sir, this position.
Okay, stand up a little bit. So what I already can see some mistakes what you are doing. Again, take this position. So from here, this is the base. Okay. Then from this, you lift up a little bit, you lift up the pedal, and then with this push up. So lift up, pull up and push up, and then going down, down, and then don't do like this. You have to stand up, and you see all the way it's almost vertical. You're doing like this, and you do that. So this first, come, and here J-stroke. And from this position, lift up and going down. So here you lift up and down. Here, twist with two hands, J-stroke, with J-stroke, and then you finish the J-stroke, then with the two hands lift up and go down. Try to take it more vertical this way and pull it. Not this one. You have to stand up. Yes. Your body have to stand up, then you can keep the pedal more straight. If you stay here, and one more thing is important for canoe about the hip movement. So when you go forward, then simply the hip and thigh is going front and twisting front. Then to come in, it's moving back, but at the end you have to take back your hip to the pedal. That's the second level for technique, but in the canoe very important the hip movement, this hip movement, because this hip pushing the boat to the pedal. Okay? Try once again and then we change. Yes, another guy can do it.
कौन से आता है कौन हाँ वही ना ना मैं अकेला
Maybe you do it totally cross the pedal. You don't have to do like this. You have to do this and up, not this. Okay? Because the twisting movement, the J-stroke means twist. It must means this. Come here and then lift me up and not like this. Okay? That's very good. Good job. You can watch him, this is what I can say. Excellent, very good. I don't know in the boat it would be the same, but he is doing very well. Super good. You can be a very good canoe coach. Okay, you can change the technique from. Show me one second. Try to keep straight this one as well. Yes. So this is yes, straight. Basically, we say should be straight. It's a little bend and